Let's take a look at an example of this in the editor. In this program, we're going to look through a list of radii values and use the value to draw a circle if the value is even, and collect and print the index value of any odd values. To start, we have a list of radii values. Some of the values are odd and some are even. First, let's try to draw a circle with each radii value given. To do this, I want to loop through the list. So I'll start by defining a for loop by writing for I in range len of that list. And inside the loop, I want to draw a circle using the value found at each index. So I'll write circle radii at I. Let's see how that works. Great. Now I want to alter this a bit to only draw circles for the radii values that are even. To do this, I need to add a conditional statement inside my loop. The modulus operator is a great choice if I'm looking to determine if a value is odd or even. So I'll write if radii at I modulus 2 equals 0. And this means that when the value is divided by 2, there's no remainder, which means it's even. So then I want to draw the circle. Let's see if that works. Perfect. Only 3 of my values are being used to draw circles. 25 and 75 are skipped because they're odd. Now I want to save the index values of the odd radii values in a new list. To do this, I'm going to start by creating an empty list I can add the values to. So at the top, I'll write odd indices equals empty list. Now, when the value's not even, I want it to be added to this list. So inside my for loop, I'll add an else clause. Let's use the append method to add the index value to the list. So odd indices dot append the value at I. Then at the end of the program, I want to tell the user which index values held odd radii values. So I'll write print radii at following indices are odd. And then concatenate a string version of that list. Let's see how that works. Awesome. Now it's your turn.